Hi all. In this video, we will discuss about matrices. The knowledge of matrices is necessarily in various branches of mathematics. Matrices are one of the most powerful tools in mathematics. This mathematical tool simplifies our work to a great extent when compared with other straightforward methods. Matrices are not only used as a representation of the coefficient in system of linear equation, but utility of matrices far exceeds that use. Matrix notations and operations are used in electronic spreadsheet programs for personal computers, which in turn is used in different areas of business and science like budgeting, salesperson projection, cost estimation, analyzing the result of an experiment, etc. So, we will discuss about fundamentals of matrix and matrix algebra. Here is the definition of a matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. That is, a matrix consists of elements which are in a specific order. The numbers or functions are called the elements or the entries of the matrix. Here is an example. Assume there exist three girls, Radha, Fauzia and Simran. Radha has 15 notebooks and 6 pens. Fauzia has 10 notebooks and 2 pens. Simran has 13 notebooks and 5 pens. So, this information we can represent using a matrix. Then it will be more clear. First, we can transfer this information in a tabular form like this. Radha has 15 notebooks and 6 pens. So 15 and 6. Fauzia has 10 notebooks and 2 pens. Simran has 13 notebooks and 5 pens. This is one of the tabular representation of this given information. That is 15, 10, 13 is in a column under the heading notebooks. 6 to 5 in a column under the heading pens. So we can represent this information as a matrix. The matrix will be like this. Here, this is the first row, consists of the numbers 5, 6. This is the second row, consists of the numbers 10, 2. This is the third row, consists of the numbers 13, 5. So this matrix has two columns. The first column consists of the numbers 5, 10, 13. The second column consists of the number 6 to 5. So, this representation is more helpful for us. So, we convert this information to a matrix. So, this is a matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. So, here this 5 is one of the entry. 6 is another entry. 10, 2, 13, 5 all are entries in this matrix. These are some of the examples for matrix. So the entries can be negative numbers. The entries can be a root of a number, and it can be like polynomials, or it can be sin x, cos x, or any other values. So these are some of the matrix. Order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n. We will read this as m by n or simply m by n matrix. Here, this is a matrix. So, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2. So, this matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. So, that is the value of m here is 3. The value of n here is 2. So, this is a 3 by 2 matrix. We read this as 3 by 2. So how many elements are there? 3 into 2 total 6 elements. So what is the order of this matrix? First we need to count the row. 3 rows are here. Second, how many columns? 3 columns. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. The first one indicates the number of rows. The second number indicates the number of columns. So what is the order of this matrix? 3 by 2. Why? 3 rows and 2 columns. What is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is the order of a matrix. The order of any matrix is m by n. M or the first entry indicates the number of rows and the second entry n indicates the number of columns. The total number of elements in that matrix is mn or m into n or the product of m and n. In general, an m by n matrix has the following rectangular array, that is m rows and n columns. So A11, A12, etc. A1n, AM1, AM2, etc. AMN. Or the representation is like this: Aij in a square bracket and m by n as a suffix. The value of I, that is I running from 1 to m. The value of j running from 1 to n. Both these I and j are natural numbers. That is A11, A12, A13, etc. A11 is the first entry, the first column, first row element. A12 is the first row, second column element. Like AMN is the mth row, nth column element. So here is an example. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by the formula. So this is the formula: Aij equal to modulus I minus 3j. So here we need to construct a 3 by 2 matrix. So first we need to construct a 3 by 2 matrix. So 3 by 2 matrix consists of 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is the general form, or this is a notation. A11, first row, first entry. First row, first column entry. First row, second column entry. A21, A22, A31, A32. So we need to find A11, A12, A21, A22, etc. So what is the formula for this? Aij equal to modulus I minus j. Aij equal to modulus I minus 3j. So what is A11? Here I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So we will substitute I as 1, j as 1. On calculating, we will get A11 as 2. Modulus of minus 2 means 2. A12 equal to, here I is 1, j is 2. So when we apply this, we will get A12 as 5. Similarly, A21, A22, A31, A32 we can calculate, and the numbers are like this. So when we substitute these values in this matrix, we will get the matrix as like this. So here this is the 3 by 2 matrix whose the general form of this matrix is Aij equal to modulus I minus 3j. So similarly, when the order and the general form given, we can write the matrix. So here is another question. Try yourself. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to Aij whose elements are given by Aij equal to I by j. So 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows and 2 columns. So we need to find A11, A12, A21, A22. Here Aij, the general form is I by j. So A11 equal to I by j. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. A12 equal to I is 1, j is 2, 1 by 2. A21, I is 2, j is 1, 2 by 1, 2. A22, 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So the matrix is like this. A1, the matrix A consists of 2 rows and 2 columns. So the entries are like this. If you have any doubts in any of our video, please mention your doubts in the comment section. Then we can discuss that doubts in upcoming videos. Thank you all.